Hey guys, what is up? This is Mark Steven Business back with another video for you guys. Today I have an unboxing. I bought these should I say, from an undisclosed person on YouTube. I don't know if they want their name to be said or whatever. If they want their name to be said, they can leave a comment saying he got them from me. So these are, go ahead and unbox this for y'all. Today I will be using the Spyderco Tenacious. Let's go ahead and see what I got, shall we? Oh, what is that? That's a Spyderco. Yeah. And the joy begins. Let's see, what is this bad boy in here? What is this? I have no idea. What does it say? That says the Persistence. Oh yeah. Let's open this bad boy up and see. That is nice. It's got a really nice edge. And if y'all don't know, the Persistence is the little brother to the Tenacious. There we go. I have brother and sister knives now. My first brother and sister knives. I'll go ahead and put some rem oil on this bad boy, loosen up the screw a little bit, and it'll be just as good as my Tenacious. So this is my new Spyderco Persistence. Right there you go. And I'll do a review on this later. Also, this person didn't have the original box, so they put in a bubble envelope for me. Wow, this thing is a lot tinier than I thought it was. The Ladybug Salt H1. This is H1. This steel will never rust. This knife is completely waterproof. It has FRN handles, fiberglass reinforced. That's what FRN means. Nice lockup on it. Seki Japan. It's got the Spyderco symbol. It's a lockback knife. No liners or anything. Look at this. Oh my god. This beast is sharp. Wow. Very nice. Now, I did purchase these from this person, so they weren't given to me. But I got a really good price on them. And you know who you are. Thank you for the awesome prices. I have dealt with you before. I really like you. You're a good guy. Thanks a lot for sending me these knives, and I'm glad to give you a payment for them, buddy. You gave me a good deal on these. Thanks a lot. And thank you all for watching, and I appreciate everything y'all have done, and watching and subscribing and everything. And more Spydercos to add to my collection. Thanks for watching, guys, and this is Mark Steven Business, and I'm out.